I'm Galaxy Master 1 and we're here today at FONERange. FONERange has been a strong partner dealer of Samsung here in North and Central Luzon, in providing you with the best Galaxy device in the market. It's a privilege to be here today to check Samsung's latest addition to its Galaxy A family. Today we're going to unbox not one, but two new devices. So without further ado, let's jump in and let's see what Samsung has to offer. Before we get done with it, you can visit our online stores below. Now let's check the newest addition to the Galaxy A family, the Galaxy A31. We have two variants for the Galaxy A31. We have the Prism Crush Black and the Prism Crush Blue. But today, to this unbox, we have the Prism Crush Blue. Before that, let's check the other accessories. We have here the 15 watts fast charger. We have the USB Type-C cable. We have the headset, and also inside the box provided the ejector pin. It also has a jelly case that's included inside the box for protection. And of course the manual if you want to check the do's and don'ts for the phone. Now let's check in the Galaxy A31. First thing that you'll notice with this device will be its Infinity U display. We have a massive 6.4 Full HD Plus 1080 by 2400 megapixel resolution. We have a quad camera setup. You have the USB Type-C, and we have the 3.5mm jack. Now let's check in the setup. For all our Galaxy friends out there who loves watching movie, who loves playing games, who needs multitasking, surely this 6.4-inch massive display will be a bang for a buck. Now its camera, it has 48 MP main camera. It also has 8 megapixel ultra wide, and it has a 5 megapixel depth camera wherein you can adjust the pictures, wherein you can adjust before and after you take the picture. Also, if you want to go detailed, Samsung A31 has a 5 megapixel macro camera. So for our Galaxy friends out there who loves take detailed object, small things, you can use the 5 megapixel macro camera. Now let's see under the hood spec for the Galaxy A31. We have a 128 gig internal storage, and it can be upgraded. Check the SIM tray here. It still has a dual SIM slot and one slot for memory card that can be upgraded up to 512. It's a new design for Samsung. Usually they use the three straight lines, but now they use another design for this SIM card tray. Interesting one there. Now let's go about its battery. Samsung A31 has a massive 5000 mAh all-day battery, and it is 15 watts fast charging. For the memory, we have the 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. It also has an octa-core processor, and it is powered by Android 10 One UI 2.0. Another thing that you can notice here for security is the on-screen fingerprint scanner. Also, it has a face recognition, and of course, the Samsung Knox for your data protections online. Other notable feature for the Galaxy A31 is the Dolby Atmos. To check the Dolby Atmos, you can check on the quick notifications panel. Look for the Dolby Atmos, and you can use that if you have a headset. Another feature that Samsung is boasting with this new A31 is the game booster. So for our Galaxy friends out there who loves playing games, other notable feature is the game launcher or game booster. Super AMOLED will surely provide you with an immersive viewing, especially if you love watching Netflix, if you love browsing the internet, if you love watching videos on YouTube and Facebook. And another good thing about this new Galaxy A31 is it comes with a 2 months free YouTube Premium, wherein it's a YouTube version without an ad. So it's around, I think it's around 300 pesos, and you can just get it for free. It's already here inside this Galaxy A31. All you have to do is log in your Gmail account, and you can just redeem the 2 months free YouTube Premium. Another great thing about this A31 is it is running with Android 10 One UI 2.0. And for those our Galaxy friends who's asking if this will be good for their kids, for their children, we also have the Samsung Kids here, or the Kids mode. You can just click here at the quick settings panel, Samsung Kids, and that's it. We also have the blue light filter, notifications panel. You can choose between blue light filter or you can lower. Now we move on to the Galaxy A51. Galaxy A51 will be the successor for last year's Samsung A50. We also have two variants for the Galaxy A51. We have Prism Crush Blue, we have the Prism Crush Black, and for today's review, we have the Prism Crush Blue. So here's the device. Before we check on the device, here's the USB Type-C cable, 15 watts fast charger. We have the headset. It also comes with the jelly case, and of course the user manual if you want to check the do's and don'ts of the phone. We also have the ejector pin here inside the box. First thing you'll notice about the Galaxy A51, its massive Infinity O display. It's a 6.5 high definition plus 1080 by 2400 screen resolution. It's a Super AMOLED Plus 20:9 aspect ratio. We also have the iconic square design here for the Galaxy A51. We have SIM card tray. So you can use dual SIM and another slot for a memory card. It also has a 3.5mm jack and a USB-C charger here and speakers below. So for our Galaxy friends who love watching movies, playing games online, or just browsing the internet, this 6.5-inch will surely exceed your expectations. For its camera, we have the 48 megapixel camera. We also have 5 megapixel wherein you can adjust the blurriness level before and after you take the photo. Now for its storage, we have 128 gig internal storage for the Galaxy A51. So you can save movies, you can save games, if you want to save music. or if you want to download a lot of movies, surely this 128 gig will be enough for your storage. And that's not all. If you want to upgrade, you can expand its memory up to 512 gigabytes. So it can support up to 512 gigabytes. Its processor is an octa-core processor. And for its security, we also have the on-screen fingerprint scanner. We have the face recognition. And still, we have the Samsung locks for your online protection with the Samsung A51. Other notable features for the Galaxy A51 are the Dolby Atmos. You can boost your music, but you need to use the headset for that. This A51 also runs in Android 10 MIUI 2.0. So like the A31 still has the dark mode, it has the kids home for when wherein your kids using your phone. It also has the ultra saving mode. It has a smart view wherein you can check your screen, you can beam it to any smart TV. Like the A31, A51 also comes with a 2 months YouTube Premium, wherein it's a YouTube application. It's the same YouTube application that we use every day, but without the ad. And you will have a 2 months free with this new device. All you need to do is log in your Google account, and you can redeem the 2 months YouTube Premium free. I think it's around 300 pesos. But when you buy a new device, your A51 device, you're going to get it for free. For the camera feature, we have here an interesting application called the AR emoji. So if you want to make an emoji for yourself, just go to camera, and here's AR emoji. So you can customize your own emoji and you can send it to your friends through Messenger, Viber, or other communication platforms online. So that's it for the unboxing of the new Galaxy A series. Get them now at the FONERange shops near you, and join us again at another tech review on the new Samsung device. Please follow us on our social media accounts below. And again, this is Mon. Have a great Samsung day. Thank you.
Sa FONERange, halika na. Ang mobile shop na alam ng masa. Dito sa FONERange, panalo ka. Lahat ng gusto mo'y narito na. Dito sa FONERange, halika na. Ang mobile shop na alam ng masa. Dito sa FONERange, panalo ka. Lahat ng gusto mo'y narito na. Everything for your mobile phone.